Good afternoon. It is June 2nd, 2025. And today the Bulls are trying to close this bar on its high. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to close it on its high. We'll see in the next 40 minutes or so, hour and a half, whether they can do that. But here's how the price action looked. We gapped down yesterday. Um, But we've been working in this range for a few days, and so we just bounced at those lows and actually made a double bottom and then just went higher. So uh, let's take a look. 5 o'clock comes in this uptrend, and it doesn't look like that is a level of resistance. So I'd be looking at that, and then we just break out to the high side, this triangle. Uh, so I'm not really sure. This is, oh, that's a second entry long. Yeah, I think you got to take this. Unfortunately, it goes sideways here, so you probably wouldn't get a whole lot out of that when it breaks out. Get a lower high, boom, lower high there. I think that's a failed second entry long. I like it because we just closed this gap, so it's kind of like you made a new high, failed second entry. That looks pretty good to me. I don't think you can get in on this for the second leg down. But if you're thinking that we're just ranging and we're going to test these lows, maybe you do get in right there. And it looks like a range, so just enter with a limit order up high. Yeah, looks like a range to me. And then what time is this? So 7 o'clock comes and uh, they just the Bulls just they anticipated this being the low of the day and created a rally. Look at that nice second entry long right there. Unfortunately, it goes sideways for a little bit, so you'd probably try and get out with a small profit or at break even. You could enter on this higher low, on this failed second entry short. Uh, both are reasonable. This kind of looks like a breakout pullback too. And you get a slight overshoot, lower high, takes us back to the EMA. I think it's reasonable to consider getting long right there. First time you've been back to the EMA in probably 20 bars. Uh, and yeah, then we're just in this range. So, if you buy with the limit order down here, it's a pretty good buy. We break out and then we get this bear channel. So personally, I kind of like this one. And when we fail to test the lows of the channel, I like this big bull bar. And then we break out and you get another bear channel. And then it makes this double bottom and just breaks higher. This is the 2700 tick chart, by the way. And looks like we're in this. We formed this spike in channel. So again, look at this. Some strong price action, some strong rallying going on. So that's how I saw it today. Again, here's the look at the daily chart so far. We'll see if the Bulls can close it up high. Hope everyone had a good day. I'll be back tomorrow.